Weekly cleaning is recommended to keep your Vicks Warm Steam Vaporizer running efficiently. Before cleaning, unplug and wait 20 to 30 minutes for the unit to cool before cleaning. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a flat, water-resistant surface near a faucet. Remove any accessories from the device and empty any unused water from the water container. Then rinse the container thoroughly with water, drain, and wipe with a dry, clean cloth. With the steam unit safely unplugged, soak steam unit in 4 inches of white vinegar for 10 minutes. Then over the sink, with fingers covering the bottom hole of the steam unit, add tap water into the steam outlet. Cover the steam outlet with the other hand, shake the steam unit back and forth, then empty the water through steam outlet. Repeat several times until black particles are no longer emitted and vinegar odor is gone. If using Vicks VapoSteam, make sure any residue is cleaned off the steam unit using a mild detergent. Next, rinse the area under the steam guard to remove any dust or dirt particles. With a long toothpick, you can gently poke through the steam outlet and drain whole if they've become obstructed. Use gloves while performing the disinfecting process. To disinfect the water container, add 1 teaspoon of bleach. Fill it with water to the fill line. Carefully swish the solution to wet all inner surfaces of the tank. Let stand for 20 minutes. Then empty the water container and rinse with tap water until the bleach smell is gone. Dry with a clean cloth. Your vaporizer is now clean. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicksHumidifiers.com.